Alright, Thermacell refill video. Forgot to do it. Got commented. I've been super busy, so I forgot, but we're going to go ahead and knock it out right now. So what you need is a can of butane. You want the one that has the lid with a bunch of different fittings. The more fittings you can get, the better. This was the number 5 fitting. I had to sand it down in order to get it to fit in. Just took some sandpaper, sand it with it off of the can, of course. You'll need your empty Thermacell cans. You need a wood screw. Pull your tops off. You need a pair of pliers also. Where did I set those at? Hey, get a pair of pliers. I don't know where I put the ones, but these will work. This little brass steel right here. Just grab the tip of it so you don't get the O-ring. Pull it out. Kind of hard to pull. It's got some serrations on it. You're going to take the screw, and you're just going to by hand, or you can use a screwdriver depending on how strong your hands are. Just run it down in there a couple turns. Take your pliers again, grab it, pull the check valve out. Sometimes it won't grab all the way. That's what you want to come out. You don't need it. Get rid of it. Throw it away. Take your deal you pulled out initially. You'll push it back all the way in. So you see how this one, it's up to the line. See how I've got the line exposed? Make sure it goes all the way down. Do a little tap. Will usually seat them. There you go. All the way down. Take your can that you sanded off. Start filling. And you can see the fluid rising up. I'm going to pause this because we're running out of time. You can also do it upside down if you like to watch the bubbles. It's easier sometimes to see it flowing in. Once you notice the fill rate's getting a little slower, just grab that cap you pulled off that you're throwing away. Take your wood screw, just give it a couple little bumps, let some of that air out, and then start filling it again. I go right above the label, about halfway between the label and the neck where the cap will go on. Alright, we're almost there. And just to finalize, take your screw, bleed it till you just get a slight whiff of that butane coming out, or you feel the coldness